Hey guys, today we're going to talk about my pick for the best natural anti-inflammatory. This is great for pain, for joint pain, and for so many other things. It's easy to grow, easy to take, easy to use, easy to store and keep. This is truly amazing. So today we're going to talk about turmeric, which is what's growing behind me, and how to use it. All of the amazing health benefits of it and how to grow it. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories in the world. It is so beneficial to your health. It's a strong natural anti-inflammatory that is proven to work for joint inflammation, for neuroinflammation, which is brain inflammation, and I'll give you a little testimony about that in a minute. And also for systemic inflammation from things like metabolic issues that over time lead to heart and kidney failure. So if you can keep that down, you will keep your overall health. And of course, we're talking about the humble little turmeric. I know it's ugly. I dug it out of my garden for you. But the great thing about this is you can grow it yourself. I do have videos on how to do that. And it doesn't take any commercial processing. You can just cut it, make a tea with it, dry it, make a powder with it, use it just like it is, eat it, you can eat it straight, or put it in your food, and you will get these anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, for a little testimonial to show you how I personally know this works. Years ago, I developed Lyme's disease, but I didn't know what it was at first, and one of the first symptoms that I got from it was that it induced meningitis. I had brain swelling and it was horrible. I got up one night and I was just in such agony and so much pain because my brain was swelling. I could feel it pushing against my eyes. I knew what was happening because I could feel it happening, and I couldn't really think. And the first thing I thought, I knew turmeric was anti-inflammatory, and I had some in my kitchen in my spice rack. So I ran to the kitchen, I got a teaspoonful, put it in my mouth, washed it down. Within minutes, I could literally feel it going down. Got to the hospital, long story short, figured out that I had meningitis. Later on, figured out that it was being caused by a Lyme's disease infection. But that's how quickly it was effective. I felt it immediately. I've even had instances one time where my gum was swollen and I just packed it right on the swollen spot, and the swelling went down so quickly that a little piece of chip, like a Dorito chip, came out that had stuck me in the gum, and I didn't even know it was there until the swelling went down and it came out. Also, because of different issues, I've had a lot of joint pain through the years, and I have taken this and it has helped me tremendously. So there are so many great benefits. It is very powerful and very potent. And of course, like all the things that I love to share with you and show you, it doesn't take a lot of processing. You can grow it and you can process it yourself at home, and you can use it. So of all the natural anti-inflammatories out there, I think this is the strongest. It has a lot of other health benefits as well that I'll share with you in a minute. But if you have any kind of joint pain, any kind of metabolic disorder, and really honestly, it's just good to have on hand because you never know when you're gonna deal with an inflammation issue. If you have any kind of rheumatism or arthritic condition, you're gonna want to be taking turmeric. So let's learn a little bit more about this amazing anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is an extremely powerful natural anti-inflammatory. It works by stopping the production of inflammatory cytokines like TNF-A and IL-6 before they can trigger inflammation in the body. Taking turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats can help to increase its absorption. It's great for any kind of chronic inflammation, from metabolic issues, for joint pain, spinal injuries, arthritis, sinus or respiratory inflammation. Really, any inflammatory condition will benefit from turmeric. Adding to the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, there are also a whole host of other benefits that you can get from it, such as improving liver health. It's rich in antioxidants while also stimulating your body's own production of antioxidant enzymes. It improves the function of the lining of your blood vessels, which helps to regulate blood pressure and to prevent clotting. It improves heart function and prevents heart attacks. It's great for brain function because it increases levels of BDNF, which is a growth hormone that helps neurons to connect, which can improve memory and mood. And it also has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties. So this is very easy to grow. I keep my turmeric roots and I just replant every spring because unless you're in a tropical area, they won't survive in the winter, but you can just replant the tubers. So I started with just a few, and of course I use some and replant some, and they just keep multiplying, and they're very pretty. They're kind of like tiny banana trees. They won't get any bigger than this though. All right, guys, isn't that interesting and amazing? I just love when God gives us medicine that doesn't hurt us or have any side effects. So make sure you go and watch all our other videos on these topics if you found this one interesting, and also watch the ones on how to grow your own turmeric in your garden. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Do all the things that help the algorithms and help others find this valuable information. I hope you've enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.